Finestkind in 3 words, a brother's love.
3 words. Woo! Roller coaster ride. There's a lot going on there. A lot of ups and downs.
Classic crime drama.
Thrilling, moving, refreshing.
Family, fathers and sons, and brothers, both brothers that are blood and brothers that you meet in life.
Family, friends, and crime.
I loved being on the ship. We worked for 5 days at sea, about 20 miles out. It was gorgeous. Whales were jumping out of the water.
We did see some whales, yeah. It was pretty great. There were some spectacular moments, yeah. You know, the character of Skimo he's like a lot of guys I grew up with. So he really was an amalgamation of a bunch of different friends that I've had, family members, people that I knew growing up. I just sort of pulled different elements of all of them together.
Every role is different. This one I kind of locked into what I felt the character was going through, and I just kind of let it happen on the day, on set, you know, just let it do its thing. I'd say a good solid 10. I learned how to do it properly. I was out there, you know, put the work in, and I'm pretty confident with my scalloping skills.
I don't know how great I am at shucking scallops, but I can shuck the hell out of some oysters. So there's got to be some value there, right?
My shucking skills are not so good, but I could do it. Part of the beauty of working on the boat for 5 days is that we were getting fresh scallops all the time. So I could literally shuck one, pop it in my mouth with a little lemon or lime. It was unbelievably tasty.
I give myself a solid 5, probably. Yeah, we did it all, man, and it's a tough way to make a living. It is not easy. You know, we did as much as we possibly could, and then the rest of us limped off to our racks and, you know, below decks while the real fishermen did the real work.
My favorite moment was just hanging out with the guys. We were cracking jokes. We had really good camaraderie off camera. I think it translated well on camera, but it was a great time. Brian was a great director. We had a lot of fun together.
There were so many. We all got along really, really well. Probably one of my favorite moments was spending time on an actual fishing boat, you know, with my castmates, going out there and learning what that life is like.
Ben Foster and I have known each other since we were probably in our early 20s. So to have an opportunity to actually have scenes together on camera was pretty rad. And then obviously working with Tommy Lee Jones. A bit of a classic, right, this guy. So to have that opportunity to sit with him on set was pretty incredible.
To reunite with Tommy Lee again on the screen, literally he shows up, and I think it's his next day we had our scene together, and it was effortless and touching because it's been 20 years since I've worked with him.
I didn't pick up any New England slang. I was born and raised in New England. Everybody loves Boston slang. So wicked is the classic. Everybody was tossing that around.
Wicked cool. If you say wicked in New England, you're doing fine.
I learned to say scallops the right way. You don't say scallops, but you say scallops. I don't want to disrespect the New England community.
I'm from New England, so I knew all the slang going in. But I mean, Finestkind is a slang word in a way. It can mean anything. It can mean get lost, get out of here, or it can mean great or wonderful, suit yourself. So it's a kind of it's a Swiss Army knife of words. It's the only word you need.
Did you enjoy this video? Let us know in the comments what you think about this. Check out these other topics from Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment, then be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified for our latest video.